How to analyze Microsoft Forms survey results. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze Microsoft Forms survey results. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Forms and then sign into your account and then select the form that you want to analyze. So go ahead and click on that specific form that you want to analyze and that will take you here. So in here, click on this view responses button at the top right of your screen and that will take you into this section. So in here, click on open results in Excel. So as you can see, you can access these results on your Microsoft Excel online. You can also download a copy of the Excel file if you want to access it on Microsoft Excel app on your PC. So in here, you'll be able to export the survey results that you have on your Microsoft Forms. So you can use Excel to filter and sort data, create pivot tables, run statistical analysis, visualize trends with charts. You can find that under the Insert tab. So as you can see, you can create a pivot table. You can also create charts from this data. And that is how you can basically analyze Microsoft Forms survey results. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.